ninja platformer, desert platformer, ice platformer, Minecraft platformer. The Scratch trending tab is full of these generic platformer games, and you might think, what could be so wrong about this? This looks like a fine game. Well, there's dozens of them, hundreds of them, millions of them. Scratch is full of these generic platformer games, and everyone hates them. So to show just how bad these games are, I am going to make a better version, the best platformer on Scratch, in just 3 hours. My friend is gonna play through the most popular platformer game on Scratch and my platformer and decide which is better.
I don't think there could possibly be a game more fun than this on Scratch. I won't even lie.
In 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Okay, so what is even the problem with these Scratch platformer games? They might be a little bland, but they seem pretty fun, right? Well, when I was in 3rd grade, I actually made a presentation on why Scratch platformer games are hurting the Scratch website and what Scratchers can do about it. Did we really need this here? Okay, it's fine. Let's just move on. Issue number 1. The characters are always the same. Every character is either this weird cube with the eyeball on it or the 2 like vertical eyeballs. Even over a decade ago, when I was a 3rd grader, they looked just like this too. So what is the solution to this? Selfie break. Wait, what? Look, I get it, I was 3rd grade, but that's so dumb. Anyways, solution. Make a cool and unique character. That is our first task for today. I actually went ahead and prepared a little platformer game for us. So right now we have some grass that we can walk around on, and we have a cat. But obviously, there is literally nothing more generic than the Scratch cat. So the first thing that our game needs is a really cool character. All right, I'm gonna make a poll. Player character. Cheese, a blue dinosaur, myself, a bucket. I'm gonna add that even though it makes no sense. Thank you guys. You guys are so creative. Let's see what our player character is going to look like. No, myself. It's better than having a bucket. So it is time to go ahead and create our player character. There are 2 animations. We have the standing animation where he's just like this. And then you have the running animation where he's like... So I think it's time to get to work and start drawing our character. I guess we should go back and get some reference images. Good thing I put tons of weird, embarrassing selfies in this presentation. And I'm going to paste this in as a reference. And we are going to be hand drawing this. And I'm just gonna take our cat, I'm gonna take my head, and we're gonna work from here to create our character. Guys, just trust the creative process. So I had glasses with tape to hold them up, which is a little bit crazy, I can't even lie. There we go, guys, it's coming together. Look at that. Oh no. We need his other animation. So this is a standing pose, but we also need his running pose. Now let's take this, copy him over the Scratch cat. Perfect. Yeah, look, it's okay. He's transforming from a human to a cat. But besides that, it's looking pretty good. So now we just have to create the other frame of his walk cycle. Let's go ahead and use this as a reference. The difference is his limbs have moved. So I'm going to like get rid of a lot of this and just draw it from scratch. Look, this is going to look sick. This is already like 1,000 times more original than any platformer I've seen on Scratch. Now, it is time to consult our Scratch generic platformer expert, Jacob Codes 234345, and see what the next problem that we have to fix is. The story and setting are lame. I could not agree more. For a platformer game to just take place in a generic environment with grass and sky, it's gotta be one of the most overused settings in history. And I'm sick of seeing games with it. So go back to our game and we might have some work to do. Man, all of this Scratch coding is really making me hungry. Ding dong. Wait. Is that a fresh, never frozen, dietitian approved Factor meal? What a coincidence. Factor makes meeting your nutritional goals super easy by sending fresh meals to your doorstep every single week. You just pop it in the microwave, hit the button, and in 2 minutes they're done. It's amazing. I actually really like Factor. I'm so excited to have them as a sponsor because I've been using it a lot recently. I used to always grab fast food because it was quick, but we all know how bad that is for you, and then cooking at home takes forever, and I'm too lazy for that. Factor is your answer. It's perfect. Try it. Please. They have so many different options: keto, vegetarian, vegan, whatever your diet is, they can accommodate it. So if you want to give it a shot, head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code 50PolyMars to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. Thanks, Factor. Now time to fix the worst game on Scratch. So, you guys came up with a questionable player character for this game, but I'm going to give you guys one more chance to come up with the story. Exploring a computer. That's pretty cool. For the search of your hair, get cheese. Okay, that's not bad. Getting cheese. You have to rob a bank. Okay, that one's kind of crazy. This time for the story and setting of our platformer game. I think these are all pretty unique, so can't be that bad. Oh, it's actually tied. Exploring a computer and the search of my hairline. Let's go. Screw you guys. We are not making a game about my forehead. It's not even big. It wouldn't even make any sense because I have a normal size forehead. So with the setting of our game being exploring a computer, we need to give all of this a makeover. And maybe instead of being outside in grass, maybe you're tiny and you're inside of a computer. Let's look up like the Windows XP taskbar. This is kind of what we need. And then we have like the Windows logo and then the time on the right. We're inside a computer, guys, just like you guys wanted. Let's make the Windows XP wallpaper with the rolling hill thing. And there we go. We are now inside of a computer. No more of that lame generic stuff like blue sky and grass. Well, well, look, ours is not blue sky and grass. It's cool. Now, what is the next issue with generic platformer games? The levels are mid. Literally just a single spike that you have to jump over. And it's literally just so easy. So what is the solution? Make better levels. So now it is time to design the craziest levels possible in the next 2 hours. Oh, I have a cool idea. What if the background when you start the game is red because we got hacked? And imagine this is like a giant window and you have to click the X on every screen to get through the virus. Oh, we're cooking. We might actually be cooking, guys. There we go. We have an X. It only took us like 10 minutes. I'm going to make the text part of the level and you can like jump on the text and stuff. It'll be cool. It'll be pretty cool. What's like an actual virus message? Like what would it look like? Danger, spyware. Now you should be able to jump on the text. So what you can do is that we can make this window have like text and stuff that lets you go up to the X and reach it. And when you touch the X, you win. This can be part of the background, but then let's make like the level have like another window or something. And then you should be able to jump on top of this window. All right, let's see. Our first platform. Oh, let's go. Tell me this game is not cool. PolyMars exploring the inside of a computer. I guess there needs to be a way to like jump over here. Oh, I know. Your cursor will be like right here and you have to jump on your cursor to get higher up. Or maybe you go up here and then you can jump on the text. Danger. And then this will have a black background because trust me, it'll make it look cool. And now we should have our first level. So you start down here, you jump onto this window, and then you jump onto the cursor, and then you jump onto this window, and then you jump onto the text. That is pretty cool, if you ask me. And then when you touch this red X, it will bring you to the second level. But right now, it doesn't do anything, so we need to code that. So I'm gonna say you just do next costume and next backdrop. And this should theoretically load the next level. So I might just do this more simply and use I might just broadcast. And now if I jump up here, I jump onto this text and then I hit the X, the next level loads. Look at that. There's nothing in this level right now, but it's time to figure out what our second level should be. All right, so we have geometry dash, pop-up ads, that's a good one. Bugs as enemy, a Roblox obby, cheeseburger. Okay, I'll I'll add cheeseburger. Let's see what we have to create for our second level. Cheeseburger was not on my radar. I was not expecting cheeseburger to take the lead. Then we have pop-up ads up there. That's crazy. It's a tie. What? Okay, well, we have pop-up ads and cheeseburger. So I guess we just have to add both. This level will just be a ton of ads everywhere. So all of these windows are going to be pop-up ads. This is not a bad level. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? This is a pretty cool level. This is the first level. You run up here, you jump over here, you jump over here, you jump over here, you jump over here, and then you jump on the X. And then level 2, oh god, it doesn't work at all. Run up here, jump up here, and you can beat it. And now we just need to add cheeseburgers or whatever it was. This looks like a pretty delicious cheeseburger. Is this our second level? I feel like it's pretty good. Oh, we should add like, okay, wait, hear me out. I have a really good idea. We need to add like malware that like breaks through the screen, guys. There's like gonna be text that's like 0100011111. Guys, it's like computer code. We're like hacking into it. This actually looks kind of sick. I feel like this actually looks kind of sick. I mean, it's kind of dumb, but it looks kind of sick. I think this is a pretty good second level. So you have like this thing you have to jump over, and if you land, you're dead. You die. We have 2 levels. Now we can move on to level 3. So I think the first level, it might be confusing because you might not realize where you're supposed to go. You might not realize like, oh, you have to X out of this window. So I think I'm gonna change the text a bit here. You have been infected with a virus. Do not close this window. And now it's kind of like it's kind of explaining where you're supposed to go. It's like a little hidden tutorial. All right, so this is the game that we are up against. We should probably actually see what it is. Okay, I really thought that our game was better, but like, this is pretty, you can wall jump? Okay. These levels are very simple, but like, so are ours, which is a bit of a problem. Being able to crouch is kind of cool. I feel like we can lock in and make some good levels though, and compete with that game. I'm gonna bring back the poll for level 3. And you guys can tell me what we need to add. Viruses start moving around and attacking you. Okay. Add a fish or a goose for platforming. Okay. Cannonballs. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. A Twitch level where you jump on the Twitch chat. That is a cool idea. Okay. Lasers that turn on and off. This is our next poll for level 3. Please vote on a good idea. Okay. Twitch levels in the lead. Oh, there's a tie. Okay. So level 3 needs to be about Twitch, and it also needs to have lasers that turn on and off. All right. Okay. Let's see what we can do. I have a cool idea. I actually have a cool idea for this level. So the player is going to start up here for level 3, and I'm going to make a new sprite called chat. And basically the idea I have is that the chat is gonna be rising and you have to dodge the chat. Like there's gonna be like holes in the chat. All right, I'm gonna copy chat. All right, wait, Pinky G200 said add me. Do you guys see the vision? It's like making a maze, and the chat messages will push you to the top of the screen and you'll die unless you follow the chat maze. I'm gonna add some random people's chat messages. Like this guy said water is good for you. I gotta make some of these messages is really long. Someone said eat tacos. Okay, someone said I like my cheese drippy, bro. We have our chat. Okay, so my idea is you start right up here, and then the chat will be there, and the chat will be moving up and trying to push you like too high where you die or something. So the chat needs to move upwards. New idea. The chat is gonna come down and you have to dodge it. I think that's better. Because trying to walk on the chat while it's moving is kind of broken. So let's just do this. There we go. Wow. This is what we need. And then we just need to start the player like right over here. It's okay. This is like a cool mechanic now. Yes. Okay. We have like a functioning game now, but we need to have like an end. It needs to have an ending. If there's no ending, then it feels very. We have 20 seconds. Yo, what's up?
I'm ready.
So I have to fill you in a little bit of Scratch history, actually.
Scratch history?
Yeah, so Scratch actually has a really big problem with generic platformer games. Basically, the front page of Scratch is filled with these platformer games that get like millions and millions of likes. And they're just so bad. It's always like the same game just rehashed over and over and over again. And I thought I would finally put an end to it and show how bad these games are. I tried to make my own platformer game in 3 hours, and I think it's better than even the best platformer on Scratch. That's how bad Scratch platformers are. Seriously.
You think it's better than the best games with millions of plays and stuff?
Yeah, I think mine is better.
Wait, hold on. Who are you going up against?
Well, I'm not gonna tell you which game is which, but it's me versus the most popular Scratch platformer.
QB's World. Welcome to QB's World. It's Wonderland full of adventure and fun. All right, let's do it. All right. Oh my God, there's no way they're using the 2016 song. Wait, this actually goes crazy for a Scratch game. What in the world?
Oh, wait, what? Wait, what?
Wait, there's wall jumping? Wait, this is fire. W? Yo, am I killing it, bro? Am I doing good?
Bro, yeah, you're doing good. You're doing good.
Yo, this is fire, bro.
I don't know. These seem kind of like.
Wait, hold up. Are you trying to get me to not like this game?
No. I'm just like, you know what? I'll just stop talking. Wait,
the drop's hitting him. The drop. Yeah! Yeah! This game is so fun, bro. I don't think there could possibly be a game more fun than this on Scratch. I won't even lie. But you know, that was some cool stuff though.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like that game was a little bit generic. I don't know. I mean, I just feel like the game could have cooler characters, like a cooler story, cooler art.
I mean, hey, he's a giant eyeball. I mean, that's pretty cool. I have that game up. A 7.5 out of 10.
7. Okay.
All right, best platform. So, will this beat the other game?
I feel like it has a pretty good shot.
Bro. I actually can't tell. All right, here we go. So, I mean, so far, there's more stuff on the screen. It looks very interesting. Wait, is there a description?
Yeah, there's like much cooler story.
There's no instructions or notes or anything. You know what? So far, there's a human. That's actually pretty cool.
I know. See, like the cube is so boring when you could have like a character that walks around. Yeah. Like, look how cool that is.
I can't use WASD. That's kind of annoying. Let's take a look. You have been infected with a virus. Do not close this window. Wait. Oh my God. Wait. Oh my God. I get the storyline. There's a virus. Oh my God, they're burgers!
I know, bro, burgers. That's like your favorite.
Wait, this is actually dope. What in the world? All right, here we go. First try. Oh, it's 7. Oh my God, the time change. It's 7:12 a.m.
Yeah, like time flies.
Time flies.
Cool little feature.
Yeah, my chat would never say, please add me. My chat would never say something like that. Oh my God, I did it. I did it.
And you win.
Wait, where's the you win screen?
So this game is made on a time constraint, so like there wasn't time to add every single little feature, but I thought it'd be kind of cool ending to kind of have the screen just kind of go black to kind of show you that like sometimes life isn't all about the destination, it's sometimes about the journey. Like sometimes it's like you're not necessarily trying to achieve anything, but it's like the journey is what you should be focused on. So having a flashy end screen with all these text and sound effects would kind of take away from the experience and from the narrative of this platformer.
Wow. So I like that he has some hair. It's a human.
Yeah.
I noticed there's absolutely no music.
Yeah, I mean, we had 3 hours. I mean, maybe I made the other game. I don't know.
Wait, you had 3 whole hours?
3. Look, we spent a lot of time on the art and the story of this game. Okay. And the coding, it's pretty complicated coding, you know, for Scratch to jump around and move.
Okay. 3 whole hours. All right. 3 whole hours and you can add 1 soundtrack. Okay, let's think about this. All right, so other game didn't have humans. I give it a 7.5. You know what, for this game? You know what? It had character. It had a plot. I think I'm gonna give this game a 7.6 out of 10.
Yes! Let's go! Scratch platformers are so bad. Even in 3 hours, we could make the best platformer on Scratch. Would you look at that?
No, but yours is still bad, but it beats the other one.